in presentations. So we generate your ideas with your presentation techniques and everything. So today we are going to start off our new lesson. Good maintenance of the immediate surroundings of your home. Write the main topic. Unit number 3. So the answers are going to be health service, teaching service, transportation service, etc. Definition. It is essential to maintain the immediate surroundings of one's home well to lead a healthy life. The basic components of the immediate natural surroundings of your home are land, water, soil, plants, animals, and the atmosphere. When man develops his knowledge, his influence towards the basic components of the environment do increase. As a result of this, there may be various problems arising in the immediate surroundings of your home. Therefore, it is your duty to contribute to the conservation of the environment by keeping the immediate surroundings of your home in a healthy condition. Objective must be the main objective of the chapter is the identification of the basic natural components of the immediate surroundings and to give you an understanding about the proper maintenance of it. Land. Figure 3.1 shows how the land, which is a basic component of the environment, is utilized in different ways. For settlements, for agriculture, for establishing industries, for the construction of buildings, for irrigation activities, for exploiting mineral resources, for building cities, for the existence of flora, for the existence of fauna, and for building roads. So, the next is tip number 20. You can maintain the immediate surroundings of your home or school well if you prepare the home garden and school garden according to a plan and use them properly. The next part will show following fact proper use of land and improper use of land too. So we are going to discuss in future parts about proper use of land and improper use of land. Some are tried to summarize lessons today. By studying this part, you will be able to identify the definition of the lesson and the objective of this lesson. Trivia time to learn more. Do you know if we harm the land, it will soil erosion, right? Question time, ask a question. Today's question is, what is the definition I explained? So, do write your answer in your geography exercise book. Answer will explain when I make the 23rd part of the geography test for presentations. Hope you learned something new in this part. Until next time, it is me zooming out. So, thank you for watching the part 22 of the series. Make sure to like, view, and subscribe. And watch more our videos. I will see you all next time. Bye bye and peace.